Space. The final frontier. Limited only by one's imagination. The lair of stars. The field of infinite wonder. Good. Now that I've caught your attention, good morning, fellow classmates, Mr. Redigan, judges. Today, my partner Robert and I will be negating the resolution resolved that the U.S. federal government should substantially increase space exploration through support for increased cooperation with foreign space programs. Substantially is defined as of ample or considerable amount, quantity, size, and increase as to make greater as in size, strength, or quality, by dictionary.com. Our three contentions include that current foreign cooperation is sufficient, competition trumps cooperation, and private industries serve as a better alternative. First, we believe our current situation regarding foreign cooperation is sufficient. Cooperation, as defined by dictionary.com, means an act or instance of working or acting together for a common purpose or benefit, or joint action. Presently, the United States, along with other nations, including Russia, Japan, Canada, and members of the European Space Agency, collaborate together on various projects, the International Space Station being one of them. After carefully constructing an international treaty in 1998, the station is currently being used to further scientific research, exploration. That's it. Various other joint projects include, but are not limited to, the Suzaku mission with Japan's space agency to discover more about the X-ray universe, the Hinode with the United Kingdom, Japan, and Europe to investigate the sun's magnetic fields, the ocean surface topography mission with France, the Polar Operational Environmental Satellite with the United Kingdom and France, Terra with Japan and Canada, which works to protect our home planet, and countless others. As you can see, the plethora of projects listed above demonstrates that the U.S.'s foreign space enterprise is more than sufficient. In fact, further increasing it could actually prove to be detrimental. According to an article from Space.com, the United States is against the inclusion of China due to the risk of the country using newfound technology for military purposes. Overall, it is not guaranteed that increased foreign cooperation with foreign space agencies would be beneficial. Second, my partner and I assert that competition is more beneficial than cooperation. By having multiple space programs around the world, individual groups feel pressure to perform better, discover more, and accomplish more. Take the space race, for example. When the Soviet Union and the United States competed for supremacy in space exploration, when the Soviet Union and United States competed for supremacy in space exploration. During this time period, some of the most significant advancements for space exploration occurred, including the creation of the world's first artificial satellite, the Sputnik, which was also the first man-made object to be placed in Earth's orbit, and also the first moon landing. This was a result of each side attempting to demonstrate its superiority. Also, think about evolution, any process of formation or growth as defined by dictionary.com. If there's a fox and a rabbit, each animal will aim to be faster than the other in order to either survive or catch its prey. This mandates the improvement and development of both sides. If one side were to cease to exist, or if the foxes were suddenly to transform into rabbits, which is seemingly what the affirmative side proposes, the need for improvement would be extinguished. This is the same case for space travel. Without the pressures of competition, space programs would feel no initiative to accomplish goals. Lastly, Robert and I believe that private industries are a superior alternative to foreign cooperation. The affirmative side's goal is in increasing foreign cooperation is to be more productive, correct? Well, why not use the resources already existing within our own nation to achieve this goal? American private industries have already achieved much in regards to space exploration. SpaceX, only one of the many great American companies, has operational spacecraft that have demonstrated the ability of delivering and returning cargo to the International Space Station, according to SpaceX.com. However, China, on the other hand, has never interacted with the space station, which is an essential component in foreign cooperation. Instead, according to Space.com, China has unveiled its own space lab, the Tiangong-1, which rivals the ISS. Also, SpaceX has demonstrated greater capabilities in many space agencies. According to their website, I quote, as noted last month by a Chinese government official, SpaceX currently has the best launch prices in the world. and they don't believe they can beat them. Clearly, this is an indication that private space industries here in America trump those overseas, which is why foreign cooperation is not needed. Further foreign cooperation is not needed. In conclusion, my partner Robert and I believe increasing cooperation with foreign space agencies is impractical and undesirable due to the sufficiency of existing foreign cooperation, competition being more beneficial than cooperation, and private industry being a better alternative. Although we do not oppose foreign cooperation, we urge the pursuit of the stars, but mostly through the stripes. Thank you, Ben.